Hello, my name is Pranav and I will be doing a video on series and parallel circuits. First of all, what is a circuit? A circuit is when there is a power source like these batteries connected by wires like these two to what is known as a resistor. A resistor is anything that uses up the electrons to create heat, light, or energy. In my case, I am using these light bulbs as resistors which create light. Now, a circuit is complete when the positive and negative ends of the wires are connected to the resistor. Now in this case, as you can see, the circuit is complete and my light bulb is glowing. But when I remove one of the wires, the flow of electrons in the circuit cannot reach back to the cells, meaning the circuit is open or incomplete. This means that the light bulb doesn't glow. The circuit I have showed you just now is known as a simple circuit. It has one resistor. When there are multiple resistors, there are two ways to arrange the circuits. One way is known as a series circuit. In a series circuit, there are two or more resistors which are directly connected to each other by a wire. The ends of these resistors are then connected to the positive and negative wires of the battery. Now as you can see, both light bulbs are glowing, but they are not glowing as brightly as the first light bulb had glowed before. This is because in a series circuit, since there are multiple light bulbs, the same amount of energy has to be shared between two of them. This means that each time you add another light bulb, they will all glow dimmer. One problem with the series circuit is that if you disconnect one light bulb, or if one light bulb stops working, for example this one stops working, so if this light bulb stops working, then the entire circuit will stop working. There is another type of, now when I have connected all light bulbs, now when the circuit is closed, it's working again. There is another type of electrical circuit which uses two or more bulbs. This is called a parallel circuit. In a parallel circuit, there is a set of wires which branches off at a certain point. This branch off means that the electrons that flow from the positive end can either go to one light bulb or to the other. But no matter which light bulb they go to, in the end, they will always return to the negative terminal of the power source. As you can see in this parallel circuit, both the light bulbs are glowing as brightly as they had when I was only using one light bulb in a series circuit. This is because in this parallel circuit, the electrons in the series circuit, the electrons go through both batteries, whereas in a parallel circuit, the electrons in a series circuit, the electrons go through both light bulbs or resistors. meaning that they have double the amount of resistance. Whereas in a parallel circuit, the electrons split up and the electrons only have to go through one resistor. This means that it glows as brightly as when there is only one light bulb. Another advantage of a parallel circuit is that if one of the light bulbs is closed or not working, if one of the light bulbs is not working or taken out of its socket, then the other light bulb still glows. Okay, why isn't this glowing? See, for example, in this series circuit, if I remove this light bulb from its sachet, from a socket like that, and I connect it like this, the first light bulb can still glow. That is the end of my video today about series and parallel circuits.